Chona, owner and founder of 3C Cakes by Chona's Recipe, also known as Chona's Recipe. I started making goodies and pastries since year 2001 as a hobby. My families and friends asked me to cook from them, and onwards it's become a small business for every holiday season, and sometimes become made to order also. In September 2015, one of our relatives asked me to open an FB page for another prospective clients to order my bestseller goodies and pastries. And in that year, I accepted also made-to-order cakes na. So, simula nung nag-accept na ako ng made-to-order cakes, binawasan ko na rin yung mga products ko na medyo matrabaho na, kaya ito na yung natirang mga products. Crema de fruta, large and medium size. Banana mini loaf, pack of 3. Sugar cookies with color flow design. 3-ounce cupcakes with 2D or 3D fondant toppers with buttercream frostings. Toblerone with crushed cashew nuts. Cake pops. Carrot pineapple walnut muffin. Pastillas. My ultimate bestseller Rainbow Bar. And also spaghetti with white sauce. Isa rin siya sa bestseller ko. Meron siyang platter and single serving. Sa 2016 up to the present, may nadagdag ako at nagtinanggal dun sa previous kong goodies and pastries at ito yung mga naiwan at nadagdag. Ang una yung bestseller kong Fudgy Yummy na Rainbow Bar. Meron siyang box of 12 and 6. 80% na Quaker Oats ang gamit ko dyan. Belgian chocolate at may 3 mixed nuts, yung peanut, almond, and cashew. Tinatawag din siyang energy bar. Artisan cheesy enchilada. Meron akong mini box of 12 and 6. Meron akong standard size din na 6 and 12. Creamy, soft, pure Eden cheese with buttercream. Sunod naman, banana loaf and carrot loaf. Banana mini loaf, box of 3 and medium size loaf. All pure natural smashed banana siya. No flavoring added. With pineapple and chopped walnut. Sa carrot loaf naman, may carrot mini loaf, box of 3 din ako, medium size loaf, all pure grated carrot siya, no flavoring added din, with chopped walnut and pineapple. Over chiffon with buttercream frosting. Bite-sized chocolate chip cookies with mixed nuts. Yung chocolate cookies ko with mixed nut, meron siyang Calibre dark chocolate chips with chunk dark chocolate. Mixed nuts niya is peanut, almond, and cashew. Meron din akong isang klase na chocolate chips din. It's oatmeal chocolate chips. Wala siyang nuts na. Ganun din, may Calibre dark chocolate chips siya with chunk dark chocolate. Bago cupcakes with buttercream frosting. 12 pieces siya na 3-ounce na cupcakes na nakadesign na banquet. Dulce de leche con pandan. Pandan flavor leche plan with yummy creamy premium dulce de leche sauce. Bite-sized Sylvanias. Mini Sylvanias meringue cookies with crushed cashew bits sandwiched in buttercream. Crushed biscuits and chopped cashew bits. Portuguese egg tart. I have box of 4 and box of 12. Chunky, crispy crust with yummy milky egg filling. crema de fruta, large and medium size. Giveaway packs for holidays.
Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, please don't forget to like and subscribe para ma-notify kayo kung may bago na akong videos.